Hey guys, so I just got to this old barn over here. My buddy Jason's gonna rescue some beetles. Let's check this place out. The entrance is a little rough, a little overgrown. Some mattresses, and then we got, looks like a tunnel underneath the barn, and that's where the beetles are. So check it out. This would be the approach. Really? Let's get a level view of what we're dealing with here. This is ground level, and that is the what we got to deal with right there. That is in the way of us getting little blue out.
Rusty blue, you called it.
What is it?
You called it rusty blue.
Rusty blue?
Give me the bad news on this car.
It's rusty blue.
Ruining my day.
Oh, there's Jason. I don't know, man.
You just went over the whole car, and I didn't even see all the rust. He just, this is cashed out. Look at this.
I did check it out. It's a little rougher than expected.
Well, at least we were able to break through the frozen ground.
Yeah, we already started a little
Excavation. You don't want to jack on this. I grabbed the jack point.
Come on.
That's never a good sign. But,
so this is the one supposed to be coming out. So we got a little super beetle here. This has been smashed in the nose.
this thing's actually.
I think this one's gonna stay where it lies.
Oh, never mind. I didn't have my light. I didn't even look at this car.
What year's this one?
69 or 68. Someone said 69. I didn't see that, but I have two corners.
Oh yeah.
I got two 69 corners from a guy near me. I didn't have the light and I couldn't really see, but hey, the A-pillars are still in it. And it is a it is a sunroof car. It's been stripped mercifully.
The deck lid. Oh, red interior.
See, it's got that damage on the quarter. Rear quarter there.
Oh yeah.
Well, we do have doors, deck lid.
Doors, seats.
It's it's still pretty solid compared to what I usually find. It's had to have been in here for.
It looks like they were parting it. All the pieces.
Yeah.
Most of the pieces are missing.
See, I didn't even see that. This is how I roll.
Yeah.
I just buy and then, like, how did I miss this? Like, Jaws. How did I miss that? When the eyeball falls out.
Oh yeah, this one too.
Is it?
Oh yeah. Yep.
So the front end's tapped?
Yep. The front end's all crushed in.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even look over there.
So we got in here.
Oh, so it's got
This thing's on the ground.
Oh yeah, 'cause it's iron. Still. It's got spindles on it. This is not my beautiful barn.
Well, apparently someone was doing work here at some point. We got a
These are
furnace.
not my beautiful VWs. You may ask yourself, my God, what have I done?
What'd you get yourself into again?
Yes.
Like, look at the view. Look at what we got to deal with here. This is ground level. Do you see that hump?
Don't forget it's frozen.
And it's in the ground.
It's frozen.
And if you can't see that,
I mean, I had to chisel my way in over here.
You want to check the other side out? Look at this. Part of the wall fall down. This side's even worse. Yeah, this is gone. Yep. Well, looks like we have a mission. If we choose to fully accept this mission. What do you think, buddy? What do you think?
Oh, I don't know, man. It's it is original paint. Other than that, I'm getting a little like we're not going to get as much done as I thought. It took us just to chisel under the car. It took us forever. The sun is shining down. It's a beautiful warm day. Friday we might get snow, and it's going to be like single digits. So we got to get what we can get done today. As far as the car, getting the brakes freed up, and it is blue. It is Jen's favorite color. So, and it's a vert. So,
It is a vert.
and I double dog dared to do it. Although we almost went to jail when the owners rolled up.
Who are you people?
The owners rolled up and like, who are you working
Who
with?
are you working with?
I don't know. You dizzy?
Who's that? Never heard.
Hang tight, you two.
That being said, we'll see what happens. So we made a little progress today. All this furniture's gone. I think this is doable now. We're gonna get this thing out. Hopefully within the next week or so.
Friday.
My back is toast. But, you know, things you do to save a Beetle. The things you do.